Number sorry is happier matediko.
Bearing a thick stack on your mouth.
Nava kaha shakra thada.
You are like a buzzing fly.
Nava sharda mazangi gishi thada ngai aina kanyao par akri sangaira mathano.
You seem as unslashable as Sangaila who dares to anybody.
Nawi janhan lahan timpang katek thada.
The way you speak is like a tree branch breaking off.
Nawi janhan lahan zayukru kishman tahurway.
The way you speak is like offering a drink of hate's water.
Nawi ning pom ningai atay katur kishai thada.
Your attitude is like eating a sour fruit.
Nana yono thada ngarawaji ashongaram atay.
Her beauty posture is like a tender banana sprout.
Naujia awa honkam koka raukarake.
That child is like father and mother. They are the same as ever.
Now he shiok thada meirare musangra chabure.
This child is like a red spock inviting to be killed.
Now by shori machin mahiro.
Don't despise youngest child.
Now ruga mapraga thada.
Incapable of giving birth like a labor pain.
Nash nauna araning kakhu.
Young child like an elderly minded.
Narayan gairi kuring turi na kajigata.
Like impossible to move before being put a bridle on.
Nashi marung thada king kaukare.
Like a dove heart, how can be fought back?
Nashi tanka ngachang horsa.
This inclination to work as dove climbs up tree.
Nayong jumsin kasakata.
Like monkeys keeping in charge of granary.
Nayong ay na kaurai kasatada.
Like warring between monkey and grasshopper. Like monkey and grasshopper are engaged in war.
Nayong kama kapart kata.
Like monkeys unfolding the wound.
Nayong ne kasing taye.
Like a monkey handling of bird lime.
Nayong shimsa kata.
Like as monkey's construction type of a house.
Naisak naivadda kasakata.
Work as indiscriminately in against.
Ngachada shinshirai ngron mang ngron zapaye. Ngoranauli machine atakpaimane.
Normally goods are exchangeable, but girls are not engaged in making mutual concessions.
Ngachang gishi hokfu tu gishi gata.
Lazy like the standard she swine.
Ngachang magaka osak.
Lazy standards of workmanship.
Ngachir kangaramdi lukha kangashwiri porka.
One basket of patty while peeing, 2 baskets of patty while going to the toilet.
Ngachizar machizar.
Man of coward and chide.
Ngaranawa satau tata ngitaye.
Girls are reduced to melt down like fat and soot.
Ngaray hagdang apai mireti. Teodang apai minauti.
The bigger land engrosses, the greater person dies. The smaller, the little person dies.
Ngaray kakai literu hekasang tada.
Like pouring water on the cracked earth.
Ngaray matungra oktui kajigata.
Living like never treating on the ground.
Ngaray ramaya ngapai share.
Land is older, thou shalt not plunder land.
Ngaray ngaka shireng ta ngayuraka ngurta.
Like social bee while standing in a line, like wild rat while joining of hands around.
Ning to masho toda.
Headlong behavior, topsy-turvy, speaking to the wind.
Ning day pakashai ok thore.
Be it not filled by picking up standing fruit.
Manokson hauri piravu tari kajigata.
So elegant and attractive like mantis.
Nganuiraka kashan kangawai argai aina kashan kharai tada.
Wearing skirt while young, taking off when became adult.
Ngapangna kaman tada.
Like urticaria caused by the leaf and juice of rus toxicodendron.
Ngapayara dedi ma ngaret kajida satu sata purunga.
Sure to throw and drop patty at heaven during harvest season.
Ngapum kapetna ka moray shoge.
Too close causes sin.
Ngron ri ngron shimne.
Every field and house is movable and transferable.
Ngron mang ngron sa purunga.
It is natural to exchange or share food and drinks.
Ngaru kasak paisin kasak ungshung washung gajange.
Ever readiness and ever stick to principle brings complete success.
Ngashan gasa aina rinamashi pangka haikata.
just as Luinam's couple was divorced due to jog.
Ngashansak aina kahang.
A word of chastisement is spoken in jest, to satirize in joke.
Ngati raiwe tu short ngami sakrak.
A case of Cold War is difficult to bring amicable solution.
Ngul chungna ka arangkam magashin gata.
The entrance of wild rats' nest is not closed if too many.
Ngaya sing rot khai.
Rain at night showers bitter rain.
Ngayuraka ngulta. Yang ka ngayang ta.
Like wild rat if attended, like shifter if shifts.
Ngasipna ka kru kareng kangurup tada.
Too much of steadfastness is like creepers falling off.
Ningai aina thaipaye.
Attitude is comprehensible.
Ngai matuidi na hi kari karan ka naukara.
Speaking arrogantly, how great you are in size or extent.
Ningai shida mathai mira nau vai ka haigada.
Laying down out of favor gets pregnancy.
Ning toran hi kashakaza ni gache mara chungmai thuisara.
If wish is subsistence food, orphan will eat maximum.
Ning kangana akatai akangai.
Reluctant, residue, and bribe.
Ning kangana hanra ka kaso kachi gata.
Reluctant like mixing beverage with rice.
Ning masinga ka ngachinga.
Firm-mindedness is the bedrock of accomplishment.
Ning na phunga.
All depends on mind.
Ning shum baiwati rakzang.
Interference during an emergency hour. Interference during much ado. Rush about in a hurry.
Ning sing haring da sa ka ringapharai.
Happiness comes from persistence.